Hello, Chef. It's Monday, August 15th, and we got the first batch of Matsutake into our warehouse. And they look remarkable. They're from northern Canada right now, and the sizing is kind of exactly what you want. Beginning of the year, small, really firm, and oh my gosh, if you could smell it where I am, it is poignant. They have that really spicy, piney aroma. So the number one grades right now are looking remarkable. The season, again, is just starting, and they will continue on for, this is obviously a larger one, number 2, slightly open veil. And then we've got a number 4 grade here that's an open veil and a few number 3s. The season's just starting and will go for several months, through till Christmas. But quality's excellent on these. Give us a call and let us know what you need.